Hey, what's up, guys and gals? K1SPL here, and K-pop is now in session. Starting the intro off a little bit different. I'm just testing things out, but whatever. I was at work, and when I'm working, I have like one earbud in my ear, and I get to hear like whatever music is playing. And sometimes my playlist leers towards like either Luna or like Rathi or like Minsa. But today, one song caught my attention. I was like, "What is this?" And I took a glance. I like listened to like half of the song, and I was like, "Man, this song was like pretty cool." I took a glimpse, and then I saw like part of the music video is really cool, and then I saw it was Ruan. So this is a new group called Ruan. I guess this just came out today. I don't know anything about them, so we're gonna check them out. Yeah, this came out July 31st today. So we're gonna check them out and check out their music video. We're gonna analyze their song and their song structure because what I heard earlier, like I heard the whole song all throughout, but I wasn't really paying attention. So now we're gonna pay full attention to Ruan and what I saw earlier too. Like the girls look spectacular as well. So let's check this out. Starting off, this like really cool hallway. Oh, what is their company too? We'll find that out later down the road. I'll just put it down into the comments if I find their company. But you know, we always like to start off with the company, with who they're with, and then name the girls. So the girls are of Ruan, and this song is called Beep Beep. Has nothing to do with IU's Beep 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 song or. All right, let's get to it. Starting off in this hallway, it's like cool shot. Beep Beep, Ruan. Some like nice like, what is it, like military snares? Is this turned up? Yo, the military snares. I like that transition there. You got the 2/4 snaps. What's the transition? Oh my god. Yeah, look at that. How many are there? 7? Dancing in front of a mirror. Whoa. Oh, I'm getting chills. I like the transition of this chorus. Holy moly, this music video. Well, the dance too. What? Oh my god. They're killing it right now for me, like totally. Who is Ruan? This shot at the hotel, they're all like running around. Dude, the visual right here. Who is this visual? This music video is giving me chills, man. The use of mirrors? Oh my god! How did they shoot that? The black and white? Whoa! Hold on. Oh, it's all the girls all mixed together. Oh! I thought it was the same girl over and over. That is so cool. That was such a cool... What? That is such a cool shot. That is like a genius. Like whoever thought of that. I saw like a transition glitch. I keep getting chills whenever the song switches. Whoever structured this song and shot this music video. Holy crap. Look at it. Dude, they are busted it with the dance moves. Oh! What? Dancing down the hallway. Oh, I thought it was just gonna end. I like her mole on her eye. Oh my goodness. Transition into the universe. Oh, that gave me chill. Oh shit. Did I just say shit? Oh, they're credits. Oh, hold on. I missed the credits. What? Did she just cuss at us? Hold on, I missed the credits here. Alright, let's see these credits here. Beep beep. Executive producer Sunny Kim? Who's Sunny Kim? Is Sunny Black Eyed PilSeung? Hold up, Black Eyed PilSeung. Jonggun. What? No freaking wonder this song is so structured, so awesome. Choreographer Lia Kim and 1 million. Oh my god. I should have known. What? DigiPedi. I knew it. I knew that was their style, man. What? I'm getting shakes. Holy crap! Who is Ruan? Or is this another group that we should keep up with? Black Eyed PilSeung. I need Luminous to chime in and remind me of who Black Eyed PilSeung is, because I heard that name. He gave me some good examples of his works, and I know he's a good. Oh no! Black Eyed PilSeung did Oh, he did Twice as Fancy and excuse me, and A-Pink's Ong Ong. That's who Black Eyed PilSeung is. Yo, and I like his music. No wonder that was so catchy. Luminous, I think on the other hand, he's like, he's alright. Luminous is pretty he's savage like that. But dude, I love Black Eyed PilSeung's work, man. Props, man. Props. You got a DigiPedi music video to go with your music. Awesome girls that can execute 1 million choreography. Yo, hold on. Only 28,000 views exact. Where are the people at? Is this their debut or is this like a comeback? I don't even know much about them. So if this is their debut, guys, come at us. Orbits, I guess, come in. DigiPedi fans, come in. Wait, why did I say Orbits? Just because it was DigiPedi. Yeah, everyone come in and check out Ruan. They are freaking awesome. Art direction. Moonyoung Lee of DigiPedi. Wonmo Songyesu Lee. Wongyesu Lee? That's a long Korean name. Anyways. Let's just go back. Let's just go back. Oh my god, all these shots in this music video. No freaking wonder I was just freaking out and getting chills, and I was just, the excitement is there. I just have subtle excitement. This opener right here, they all come from the window or that doorway, and then they spill out. But then they use the doorway as if it's like some sort of mirror. Such creativeness, man. I love this transition of the song and the visual of the music video. So he uses military snares, and then when they drop the little earbud, it goes, and it transitions into this next part. You got 2/4 snaps, along with this beat in the back that's building up. And it's still kind of low. And now it's building. Not yet. It's hanging. Oh my god. Into this chorus. It kind of like jumped. It went do. The build went jump. Boom. Right into the chorus. I love these visuals. And then this is like a post-chorus, I believe. Yo, 1 million choreography. Oh, I love this part when they're using that as a mirror. That is dope. All these glitching. Oh, and the raps? I forgot about this part. Oh my god. Oh, I like those military snares. I like how it's not overly used, and all the instrumentals are pretty airy, and they come in at key points. Oh my god, this shot. That shot is genius. That is freaking awesome. Yo, look at her get-ups here. Who's wearing a wig there? I know nothing of these girls, so if anyone knows, drop it in the comments. Love these transitions. The black and white. From here, I should have known it was DigiPedi. They love playing around with color saturations and, as PD would say, wasting money on black and white scenes. Because when you film something, it's already in color, so you might as well up the saturation like these scenes here. But no, they're like black and white, shoot it. And it's like, wait, what about the color? Yeah. Oh, this part of the song. That do explosive transition. Who is this main girl though? Or is Ruan a group, or it's a group, right? Or is it just a one artist? Either way, Ruan. Man. Oh, this last part. She's like, open the door. Open the door, open the door. Alright. And then she's like cussing us out. Cool. That's cool. Alright, anyways. Session is over. That's about it for the excitement. And catch us next session. Ruan just ruined me right now. Just ruined me in a good way. I'm hyped. Alright. Anyways. Peace.